In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Wix. Whether you're enhancing the aesthetic of your website or you're aiming for better user engagement, a lightbox can be a fantastic tool to display images, announcements, or additional content without redirecting your visitors away from the main page. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you're not already there, head over to the Wix homepage and enter your account credentials to gain access to your site editor. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can manage your website's features, pages, and settings. Now that we have reached this stage, you'll want to open the editor. Simply click on the Site Actions and then click Edit Site. This will take you to the editor where you can make changes to your website in real time. Keep in mind that this editing process is intuitive, designed to be user-friendly and accessible even if you're not a tech wizard. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the editor screen. There, you'll notice a series of options. Locate the plus symbol, commonly referred to as the Add button. Once you click on it, a panel will expand, unveiling a variety of elements you can incorporate into your site. In this case, we're going to focus on the Interactive section within the Add Elements panel. Click on Interactive to proceed to your available options. Upon entering the Interactive section, look for an option labeled Lightbox. Click on it to reveal Wix's assortment of Lightbox features. A lightbox is a pop-up that appears on top of the current page content to display media or information, usually dimming the rest of the site to focus the visitor's attention. Wix provides a selection of pre-designed lightbox templates, each with its unique flair and purpose. Browse through these to find one that suits your vision for the site. Whether you prefer something sleek and minimalist or lively and colorful, Wix has got you covered. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative